What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CM Kicks here. In today's video, guys, I got a sneaker unboxing I want to show you guys. So let's get it. Let's go. Alright, guys, so let's get it. So I ordered me some shoes off of GOAT. And this shoe is pre-owned, but it's an OG colorway. I want to say this shoe came out maybe like 2 years ago. Wait. Enough about me talking. Let's get into the kicks. So, it is a OG colorway box. Well, it's a not OG colorway box. My fault. It's a, as y'all can see, it's an Air Jordan 1 box. Hang on one second. Alright, guys, my bad. So as you guys can see, it's an Air Jordan 1 box. And judging by the box, guys, you probably know what this is. So it's an Air Jordan 1 box, and name of the shoe is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG colorway. It's varsity red black sail, and it's a size, as y'all can see, 11. And that's my size. You feel me? So I got this off of GOAT. I paid I think this is slightly warm, pre-owned, whatever. So I paid I could pay like $266 for this shoe. To me, that was a steal. So but yeah, no problem. Let's get into the kicks. Oh, I'm so happy! And again, guys, got it off the GOAT app. So ready, guys? Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, my fault. All right, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Oh, they're finally back! Oh, so happy. Waiting all week for this. And voila, you have the Air Jordan 1 High OG Reimagined Chicago's. And this shoe is so freaking clean. And the reason why I got it because it's OG colorway. This is my favorite Jordan 1 of all time. Hang on, I'm trying to get the laces together. This is my favorite Jordan 1 of all time. My second one, I probably would say maybe. Hang on, I'm gonna count it down just a little bit. Yeah. So this is my first one. This is my favorite Jordan 1 of all time, Chicago's. And my second one probably had to be. It's a good question. I don't know if I got a second one. I don't know. I thought I did. But y'all comment down below y'all got this shoe in y'all collection. And you also comment down below from a scale of 1 to 10 what you rate this shoe too. I mean, this is a 10 out of a 10. This shoe is so clean. I can pretty much wear with anything. And I also got the lows too right here, guys. So y'all check out my Jordan 1 Low Chicago video I did last week. Y'all check that video out. That shit was fire too. But these are slightly worn, so but you can't tell these because they got that vintage look right there. As you can see, they put the white laces in. But I'm gonna probably put the black laces in too. But this shit was so freaking clean, bro. So freaking clean, guys. Again, guys, y'all comment down below. You got the shoe in y'all collection, and you also comment down below from scale 1 to 10 what you rate the shoe too. You got the Nike Air and the insole too. You can barely tell these have been worn too. They got a little bit weird, got a little bit worn, but you can barely tell. But so here's the other shoe. Oh, I'm so happy I can't wait to rock these. Here's the other shoe right here. Yep, so here's the pair right here. Oh, I'm so happy, bro. I can't wait to rock these. I might wait till Thanksgiving time. And I also got a I got exclusive access for the Jordan 4 Black Cats. So I'm probably gonna do a review on that shoe too. I can't wait forward to that. I need those Black Cats and I need those Gamma 11s too. That's I'm probably gonna be done here too. So But this shoe is I'm so happy, guys. I had this shoe before, but I sold it because it was too big. But I got it in the right size this time, so I'm so freaking happy, bro. I copped this shoe. Oh, I'm so happy, bro. I am so excited, bro. Alright, guys, my phone checks on my phone. But that's it, my video for today, guys. Again, guys, I got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Reimagines. And I'm super excited to wear this shoe, guys. I can't wait to rock this shoe. You feel me? But that's it, my video for today, guys. So if y'all would, yes, you, I'm talking to you, man. Okay. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we gonna talk nothing but kicks, and more kicks. My guys and my girls can get enough of these kicks, man. And I'll see y'all next time too, man. All right, now.